Hello everyone, my name is Rohit Gaur. I am from Kolkata, West Bengal. I'm a BTech graduate in Information Technology and I've completed my BTech from Netaji Subhash Engineering College in the year 2018. After completing my BTech, I was looking for a job in IT company and I came to know about Evision through one of my friends. Evision is an IT recruitment and consulting company and provides an excellent online platform for anyone who wants to pursue a career in IT domain. The best part of Evision is that person from non-technical background can also complete their 45-day internship program and get a job in IT MNC. I have completed a 45-day internship program in Evision and finally got a placement in TCS with a 2.8 LPA package. The best part of Evision is the faculty members and their way of teaching. The faculty members made sure that we learn each and every topic very well. They supported us and motivated us to pursue our dreams. The faculty members conducted regular mock interviews which helped me in improving my communication skill and which also helped me to face the interview in real time. It was a great learning experience in Evision. Thank you, Evision, for the opportunity.